Today, we're going to go through how to run a pressure calibration using a piston gauge and compass or pressure software to calibrate the 7250 pressure calibrator. To start, we connect the test line to the device under test, or DUT. For this demo, the DUT is rated to a full-scale pressure of 1000 psi. Next, we configure the calibration using compass. The DUT's serial number and maximum pressure are entered, followed by selecting the test type and pressure mode, gauge mode in this case. Compass automatically reads the piston, cylinder, configuration, and mass set. These elements define the pressure standards used in calibration. The Calibrator loads weights based on the target pressure. It runs 3 pressure excursions to exercise moving components. After that, we zero the instrument using internal optics like lasers and mirrors. Once zeroed, Compass proceeds to perform the full calibration run. The system executes a series of 9 pressure points, ascending and descending, to assess linearity and hysteresis. Each value is captured and logged automatically. Once the test concludes, the system generates a certificate and the DUT is moved forward for review. From setup to certification, precision is maintained at every step. And that's it. That's how you calibrate pressure with a piston gauge.